What's up, guys? In this video, I will share with y'all an exclusive method to get a free Instagram follower instantly without fake accounts. And you don't need a PC or jailbroken iPhone. This method is exclusive to my channel and they have been tested out on multi accounts. It works on both devices, iOS and Android. As you can see, all followers are real account and active, and you can use this method on the same account once every 24 hours. Let's go ahead and check my Android phone. As you can see, my followers increasing instantly. This method is super useful and convenient, guys. Stay tuned as I will show you how you can do it. And I will walk you through the process step by step and show you how you can do it on the fastest way. So you can increase your Instagram followers instantly. Also, in this video, I have a new giveaway for you guys at the end of this video. Don't miss it out, guys. Also, I wanna congrats all winners on the last video. I will put their name on the screen. So if your name appears on the screen, please send me a message on my Instagram and your gift is ready for you. So before you write any negative comment, make sure you watch the whole video till the end, because there is a circle step at the end of this video and I will guarantee you your account will get a free 1,000 of followers. So if you have tried this method and it doesn't work for you, drop your Instagram username below and how many followers you want. I will be giving priority to people who like it and subscribe. Make sure your account is not private. We go to account setting, then privacy, and make sure your private account is turned off. If you are an iOS user, follow this step. Go to account setting, then general, then background app refresh. Make sure it's on both networks. For Android users, go to setting, app management, app list, then search for Instagram, click on manage notification, and make sure it's on. After that, open any browser, then go to this exclusive website by which you will get a free Instagram followers. I will leave you the website link in the first comment. This website will give you the unlimited Instagram followers. As I told you, you can use this method on the same account once every 24 hours. So you need to get your Instagram account exactly as it is. Go to Instagram, then go ahead and click edit profile, then click username and copy your username and go back to the website and go ahead and put your username here and click on get free follower. Now the site is searching for your account, so the username must be correct for the site to be connected. As you can see, the site found my account. Here is the website asks me to choose the number of follower I want. I will choose 5,000 and then click on add follower. Sure, add follower. Now the site connecting to Instagram API and generating the followers you have chosen. Again, guys, as I told you, make sure your account is not private. If you have tried this method and it doesn't work for you, you can message me on Instagram. I will increase your account manually. If you want to be famous on social media, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I will make more videos in the future. As you can see, the followers increase. Because of the frequent connection on the site, it's necessary to complete this step to unlock the final page and receive your followers. Click on the last step. Now the website is directing you to a new page. We must complete this step to succeed. This page will include more tasks. You should complete at least 2 tasks to prove that you are human, not a robot, or not even use a VPN. These tasks can be completed by email, phone number, downloading an app, or a survey. Make sure you have completed at least 2 tasks correctly to receive your followers. I will choose this task. Now, I will open a new page to complete this task. This task requires using a phone number, so must enter your correct phone number to receive a verification code. After I entered my phone number, click on subscribe now. So now I will get the code. As you can see, I have received the code 3917. Then click confirm. This task is now completely successful. Now I will go back to the tasks page and choose another task. Now I'm choosing a different task. Well, this task also uses a phone number. I will enter the same phone number and wait for a code. Now I have received the new code 8839. Confirm. Now I'm gonna wait until receiving the message to be sure I have completed it successfully. Now I have completed two tasks correctly. So I will go back to the tasks page and I will be waiting until get to the final page. And the most important step. So if you have tried this method and it doesn't work for you, drop your Instagram username below and how many followers you want. I will be giving priority to people who like it and subscribe. Well done guys, we have done it. Congratulations. Now we have to confirm the username to receive your followers. Again guys, as I told you, make sure your account is not private and click on add follower. Now the process is started and it will may take up to 12 hours to complete. Now we go back to Instagram and check the followers. As you can see, unbelievable. We have reached 20,000 followers. The followers are still coming. Let me remind you of our giveaway for today's video. Drop your Instagram username below and we will randomly pick 5 users and give them 10,000 followers for free. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's check on my Android phone and as you can see, I have received the follower. Wow, 6,000. As I told you guys, all followers are real account and active. And you can use it on the same account once every 24 hours. So if you have tried this method and it doesn't work for you, drop your Instagram username below and how many followers you want. I will be giving priority to people who like it and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.